Simplifying the process of managing all your pickup orders in your CRM is a vital feature to have in any POS. In this video, we'll show you how Sapaad's CRM system provides a stress-free solution that eases the process of placing takeaway orders for both new and existing customers, ensuring a seamless experience throughout. Let's jump straight to it. To place a takeaway order for a new customer, go to CRM on your Sapaad account. Enter the new customer's mobile or telephone number in the search field and then click Search. Next, click on the Add New Customer and enter the customer's name. Click on the Store Pickup tab located below the customer details and select the pickup location. Start adding the menu items ordered by the customer. Once you've entered all the items, click Place Order. If your customer is interested in joining your restaurant's loyalty program, you can simply tick the checkbox for Join Loyalty. Note that this option is available if you have subscribed to the Sapaad Loyalty Program module. To finalize the takeaway order, simply click Confirm. Great! You just placed a takeaway order in the CRM for a new customer and successfully logged the new customer into your Sapaad CRM at the same time. Now, let's move on to placing a takeaway order in the CRM for your existing customers. Start by visiting the CRM section in your Sapaad account, just like before. Enter the customer's mobile or telephone number in the search field, then click Search, or simply click the matching number and name that will appear in the drop-down box. Next, click on the Store Pickup button within the customer's details section and choose the preferred pickup store. Add the desired menu items to the order. Once you've entered all the items, click Place Order. Finally, click Confirm. The order is placed. What's even better is that Sapaad POS provides an effortless way to stay on top of your takeaway orders, allowing for efficient management and tracking. Locate all your takeaway orders in a snap by going to the Delivery Manager, Home Deliveries, and then Pickups. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently place takeaway orders in your Sapaad CRM system, whether it's for new or existing customers. Check out our video on enabling SMS notifications on Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.